Some people don't think the temple will ever be rebuilt or needs to be rebuilt, because if you're amillennial, you don't believe there's a millennium. You think Jesus is coming back and just going to establish the new heavens and the new earth. Other people will argue that the temple will be rebuilt in the current site. How that happens is yet to be seen. In the current site, and that Jesus will actually rule from Jerusalem. There are passages in the Old Testament, Isaiah 2, Isaiah 19, that talk about all the world streaming to Jerusalem to worship the Lord. In Isaiah 19, there's a highway that runs from Egypt through Israel to Assyria, and all the nations, Israel, Egypt, and Assyria are seen as kind of your typical opponents of Israel, all worshiping the same God in a picture of a massive reconciliation. So some people, usually they are premillennialists, will see the temple being rebuilt and Jesus ruling physically from Jerusalem, with the temple being a part of what is associated with his rule.